On today's Try to Finish Something, it's back to Nerdville. I'm going to work on a couple things that I need to finish up for my Mandalorian Season 1 Gauntlet, the one that goes on the right-hand side. Got to wrap up a couple things on that, see if I can finish them as I get closer and closer to 501st approval. That's what we're going to work on today's Try to Finish Something. Here is my Flamethrower right gauntlet as seen in Disney's The Mandalorian Season 1. This was 3D printed by me and weathered using the same toothpaste technique to achieve that chipping effect and many layers of paint weathering like in my Star Wars container video. The Flamethrower was 3D printed, but I wasn't happy with these small rockets here, and I couldn't get them to print with the look that I was happy with. So my solution, I bought an assortment replacement pack of soldering iron tips. I screwed them into the receiving holes in the gauntlet and painted and weathered them as well. So I have a few things I need to do before I can check this off as done. While sanding, I broke, then lost, this small piece of plastic on the side of the casing for the display. I need to square that up and then add a piece of these styrene plastic sheets to the display frame to make that disappear with some paint and weathering. I then need to alter the inside of the gauntlet here to make sure the MandoPuter display will slide inside and then create a removable cover to protect the electronics. I hollowed out a big chunk of this inside already before my Dremel died. The display using an Adafruit board and free code from GitHub with great instruction created by Jon Breazile. I'll put a link in the video description below. It was easy to follow and amazing. So on to the project. The order: sand and square up the hole, pattern the styrene, paint and weather, then create the protection layer. Okay, So here is my 100% done Season 1 Gauntlet. Let me show you some images from the 2019 D23 pre-release display, then shots of my Gauntlet. I am checking this one off as finished. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below so that we can communicate back and forth with each other and help me grow this channel. Thanks for watching. Try to finish something.